gonna be doing this pink look with pink makeup. I hope you enjoy watching the transformation. This makeup look is a dramatic cut crease that consists of mainly pink eyeshadows. I mainly use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm gonna be filming next a lot of holiday looks, so if you have a specific look that you would like to do for Christmas or New Year's or any other special occasion, just let me know. Send me the picture and I would love to film a makeup tutorial for it. Without any further ado, let's get started with the process. I'm prepping my skin using Lancôme Génifique Serum, which is anti-aging and it helps the skin to become smoother and more radiant. Then I moisturize my face using L'Oréal Hydra Genius. It's more of a lightweight lotion. It's not a thick cream. So if you're looking for something more of a lightweight and your skin is not too dry, you can definitely use this type of lotion. To prep my eyes, I'm using MAC Paint Pot in the color Painterly, and I'm using a brush to apply the product on my eyes. With a fluffy brush, I'm applying DEMURE as my transition color. Then I take a less fluffy brush to apply Dollface on my crease and a little bit around my crease. Then I take a fluffy brush and I blend DEMURE with Dollface. Then I pick up this fluffy brush, the color Risqué, and I apply it across my crease. Then I apply the color Nylon from MAC on my brow bone. And with a flat brush, I apply Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to cut my crease and form a wing concealer with it. And I set it with the color Beam from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And with a makeup remover wipe, I'm cleaning the inner and outer corners of my eyes. To color correct my dark circles, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Orange. Then I color correct my red spots with the green Pro Conceal by LA Girl. And I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again to highlight my forehead, my under eyes, and my chin. And with the MAC 130 brush, I'm blending my concealer on my forehead, under eyes, and chin. Then I'm taking a small brush again and applying Risqué all along my crease for a more dramatic cut crease effect. And I'm blending Dollface and Risqué under my eyes. Then I'm applying Beam again from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. And with Laura Mercier, I'm setting the highlighter all over my face. And with a very thin brush, I'm applying adhesive all along my cut crease, right in the middle between my eyeshadows and my concealer. And after I apply the adhesive, I wait until it gets a little tacky, and then I start applying the color Crystal from NYX Glitter. And after that, I use the NYX Vinyl Liner to line my eyes just a tiny bit. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express to prep for my fake eyelashes from Kiss number 11. I really like these lashes because they give you an enhanced eye look, but at the same time, they're not too dramatic. So if you want to wear something that is not over the top, you can definitely be happy with these lashes. However, if you're looking for a very, very dramatic look, then you might be interested in the Huda Beauty lashes or Lily Galicia lashes. To ensure that the fake lashes stuck onto my eyelashes, I pinch them from the inner and outer corner of my eyes. Then I'm using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit to contour my cheeks, my forehead, and my jawlines. I'm applying the bronzer in circular motions. Then I take a small fluffy brush and contour my nose with a Hoola bronzer. And to get rid of the harsh contour lines on my nose, I take a clean fluffy brush and then I apply Laura Mercier translucent powder on top of the bronzer after I try to blend it with a brush very well. And I try to brush off the excess powder so that it's not overpowering for a more natural contour effect. Then with the color Beam, I highlight the bridge and tip of my nose. And I'm using Fleur Power Blush by Matte for my cheeks. I'm spraying some Prep and Prime by Matte to be able to apply my highlighter on my cheekbones and the high areas on my face, like the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow. And if you notice that the application of the highlighter is not as good, use your finger to apply it because everything that is shimmery and sparkly tends to apply much better with the finger. Then I'm taking the NYX Lipliner and I'm lining my lips with it, as well as contouring it by forming a crease in the middle of my lower lip and some creases across the lips. And after that, I apply some lip Prep and Prime by MAC in order to moisturize my lips and prime them before I apply the matte lipstick in the color Pink Plaid. Then I take a blush lip gloss by Victoria's Secret. And I apply it as the last coat on top of my lips. And that'll be it. This is the final look, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the transformation of this makeup look. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. I would really love to hear from you about the next video suggestions that you'd like me to film, and let me know how you like the video. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming fashion and makeup videos. If you're interested in me filming a different type of video than the ones that I've been filming, please let me know and I would love to get more feedback from you guys. I look forward to the next video and I'll see you soon.